She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I was gonna clean my car, kind of do a spring clean, which really isn't a deep clean. I pretty much still vacuum and just wipe all the surfaces, and then I'm gonna give it a wash because it's nice and sunny and warm out. Excuse the fact that I look like a hot mess. I just finished mowing the yard as well. But I'm gonna try and do this. I'm outside, I'm in the carport, there may be a lot of background noise. But let me go ahead and get you a before shot of what the inside looks like, and then I usually start by vacuuming first and then wipe the surfaces. So let's get to looking at what the car looks like. So for the outside, as you can see, she definitely needs a bath. Just lots of grimy dirt. I got bird poop on that. So yeah, we're gonna wash that all off. And I'm sure you can see here without showing my license plate, but definitely very dirty again. But for the car, again, just kind of wipe all the surfaces. The floors need to be vacuumed and the seats from the dog. Got to put his leashes back. This is just cleaning supplies. And then let's look at the front. So the front isn't horrible, there's just a few things, but these are things I keep in the car, you know, like antiseptic wipes and extra face masks, batteries for the taillights. Again, definitely needs to be vacuumed. And then probably wipe down all of these surfaces, just so again, it's nice and clean. It's definitely an older car. It's an 04 Hyundai Santa Fe. I love it, it runs well. And I don't see the point in buying another one until I'm having issues. So I'm gonna get the vacuum hooked up and start vacuuming, and we'll get this done. And in the back is not typically too bad. I only have like my reusable shopping bags, and then I'll just probably vacuum this off a little. There's only a few bits of dirt. And then for vacuuming, I have my shop vac that I'm gonna use. It just works really well. And then I brought out like Method glass cleaner and paper towels to do like the windows and certain surfaces like the shiny parts, because I've learned that the Armor All wipes do not work well on those. And then to finish it off, I'll probably change out this to more of a summery scent.
To see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really can.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, so the car is vacuumed out, so I'm gonna use these like Armor All cleaning wipes. I'm gonna start with the trunk, just kind of wipe the plastic areas to help it a little bit. And then we'll work our way forward.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Once again, I'm going to use cleaning cloths to do doors, I forget what you call that, dashboard area in the center console. And then I'll wash the windows on the inside and perhaps tackle the inside mirror. I don't know how dirty that is. We'll take a look. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe these down.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, and I ran into the house so I could grab the Bath & Body Works car freshener things. A friend got me a new one for Christmas. I haven't brought it out, and a fresh scent, so we're going to do champagne toast in the car for now. And now I can dispose of this one, which barely smells. So we'll go ahead and use this one, and then I'll show you the final reveal now that everything's pretty much done. Actually, before I show you the final reveal, I'm going to wash the outside of the car first. So I need to move it over near the garden hose and get some hot soapy water so we can get to town scrubbing. So I'll show you that as we go along.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that you...
Okay, so here is the final reveal. Nice and clean. Seats clean. Floor's been vacuumed. Smells good. Got the air freshener. And then here's the back seat, also vacuumed clean and all wiped down and shiny. And then the car is drying. Probably wait to move it a little bit later, but she's all sorts of sparkly clean now. Get close. Little black spots, and the bird poop is gone. Alright, so this is how I kind of spring clean my car, or clean it in general. But I start with the inside, work my way out, and then I'll let it dry and move it into the garage. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.
She's a Mona Lisa.